With our exercise, question 10 we were doing 27 y cube plus 125 z cube. So a cube plus b cube we have earlier studied a plus b a square minus ab plus b square. So directly we can write it as 3y plus 5z 3y square minus 3y into 5z plus 5z square. So it will come out to be 9y square minus 15yz plus 27z square. Second part 64m cube minus 343 n cube. So we can write it as 4m whole cube minus 7n cube. A cube minus b cube we have done in question number 9 was a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. So this is 4m minus 7m plus 4m into 7n plus 7n square. So 4m minus 7n 16m square plus 28mn plus 49n square. So we'll do our question number 11. Factorize 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. So we can write it as 3x whole cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3 into 3x into y into z, and x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is x plus y plus z, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So we have to factorize it as 3x plus y plus z, 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz and minus 3xz. So this is our answer. Question number 12. We have to verify. So verify, we'll solve it by LHS and RHS. LHS is simply solved. So we'll start with the RHS part. Half x plus y plus z, and bracket we have x minus y square plus y minus z square plus z minus x square. So we'll first solve our bracket, and the identity we will use is a minus b whole square, and we know that a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So x square minus 2xy plus y square minus 2yz plus z square, and z square minus 2xz plus x square. Half x plus y plus z. So now we will observe that x square and x square are occurring 2 times. So we can write it as 2x square. Similarly 2y square and 2z square. Minus 2xy minus 2yz and minus 2zx. So if we will take 2 common in the bracket, what will we see? X square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz and minus zx. So 2 and 2 cancels out. So x plus y plus z, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz, and this is the formula of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, which is our LHS. So hence proved. Now we will go to our question number 13. It is given that x plus y plus z is equals to 0. So now we have learned that formula x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is x plus y plus z, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. अब since this is 0, 0 multiplied by any number is 0. So what we got is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is 0. Now this is minus. If we will go to the right hand side, it will become plus, and this was to be solved, hence proved. Question number 14. Without actually solving the cubes, find the value. First part. Now let us see minus 12 plus 7 plus 5 is 0. So we'll use the above formula. If x plus y plus z is 0, x cube plus y cube plus z cube is 3xyz. So directly we can write minus into 7 into 5. So minus 36 into 35, we'll solve over here. 6 5 are 30, 5 15 18, 18 10. So what we got is minus 1180. Second part. Similarly, 28 plus minus 15 plus minus 13 comes out to be 0. So therefore directly answer will be 3 into 28 into minus 15 into minus 13. Minus into minus is plus. 3 8 is 24. 15 into 13. So now if we do our calculations, 12, and if we multiply it by 13, so we got our answer as 16380. Question number 15. Find the length and breadth, possible values. Area we are given a square minus 35a plus 12. Since area of rectangle is length into breadth, if we factorize this term, two expressions will get, so that one possibility will be of length and the other will be of breadth. So we'll solve it by splitting the middle term. So here we want product is equals to 25 into 12 and sum will be minus 35. Now first solve what is 25 into 12. 2 5 is 10, 4. So we want a product as 300. Now I told you write all the possibilities and then check. 2 into 150, 3 into 100, 4 into 75, 5 into 60, 50, 8, 60, here now 9, no 10, to 30, 11, 12. It is not divided by 12 as well. 12 to the 24, 12 and 25. 13, 14, 14, no 15, 20. So now I can get sum as, so now our factors will become minus 15a minus 20a plus 12. Now taking common 5a, 5a minus 3 minus 4, 5a minus 3. So first will be a possibility of length and the second will be a possibility of breadth. Similarly, we can solve the second part. 35y square plus 13y minus 12. So product will be 35 into minus 12 and sum will be 13. So first 420. So we